India has a rich culture, with many temples, hills and sanctuaries. It is well known for its majestic tourist places, hills, rivers, plateaus, plains, beaches, deltas and deserts, many luxurious hotels and resorts, picturesque nature sites, and whether it is Ajanta Ellora caves or Taj Mahal, the love monument which comes under 7 wonders of world. From culture to traditions to history to nature to adventure to man-made beauties, it has the most amazing array of travel products and destinations to offer to the tourists throughout the world. You can visit India to find yourself in the mountains of Himalayas and to be mesmerized by the ancient temples. Welcome to our channel Around the World with Dua Mumtaz. Today we are going to share a history of Kapila Theertham as a famous Saivite temple and Theertham, located at Tirupati in the Tirupati district of Andhra Pradesh, India. If you like our informative video, please click the like button and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so you will receive timely notification whenever we uploaded new videos. Let's get started. The idol is believed to be installed by Kapila Muni, and hence Lord Siva here is referred to as Kapileswara. The temple stands at the entrance to a mountain cave in one of the steep and vertical faces at the foot of the Tirumala hills, which are part of Seshachalam Hills, where the waters of the mountain stream fall directly into Temple Pushkarini, known as Kapila Theertham. A huge stone statue of a seated bull, Nandhi, Shiva's steed, greets devotees and passers-by at the entrance to the temple. According to Temple Legend, Kapila Muni had performed penance to Siva at this place, and blissed with the Muni's devotion, Siva and Parvathi presented themselves. The Lingam is believed to be self-manifested. Kapila Muni is believed to emerge from the Bilam cavity in the Pushkarini Theertham onto the earth. The temple received very good patronage from the kings of Vijayanagara in the 13th through 16th centuries, especially Sluva Narsimha Deva Raya, and the eternally famous Sri Krishna Deva Raya, and some of the later rulers like Venkatapati Raya, and Aliya Ramaraya, Sri Krishna Deva Raya's son-in-law. The present-day temple is under the administration of Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam's TTD. Under TTD, this temple receives continued protection and sustenance, annual festivals that are celebrated great splendor. During Kartika month, on the occasion of its Mukkothi, on the Purnima, full moon, day, all the Tirthas situated in the 3 worlds merge into this Kapila Theertham at noon for 10 Ghatikas. 1 Ghatika is equivalent to 24 minutes. It is believed that persons bathing in it at that auspicious time will attain salvation from the cycle of birth and death, Brahmaloka. Moreover, those who have never offered Pindam, Thidhi or Thadhina to their departed ancestor souls can do it here and wash off your sins for non-performance of it in past. The temple celebrates all important festivals of Shivism, which includes Mahashivaratri, Kartika Deepam, Vinayak Chaviti, Adikirtika etc. Kapileswara Swami Brahmotsavams is the biggest event of the temple, celebrated by TTD during the month of February. It is a 9-day event where the processional deity of Lord Shiva and Parvati will take in procession on different vahangs, starting with Hamsa Vahang and ending with Trishula Snanam, celestial bath to Siva Trident. There are many sub-shrines within the main temple premises. Temples for Kamakshi consort of Shiva, Vinayak, Subramanya, Agastheshwara, Rukmini Satyabhama Sameta Sri Krishna are few among them. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. We will see on our next video, and will explore Koringa Wildlife Sanctuary situated near Kakinada in Andhra Pradesh, India.